Alright guys, so I have checked into my hotel and now I'm gonna find some place to eat, and probably I'm gonna go to find some burger, chips or something like that. And also I want to visit the Llandudno Pier that is over there. So yeah, first of all I think I need to cross the road so nobody's coming. I would expect some shops over there. So they have got these bulbs. I think they're gonna turn on in the evening and it's gonna look much beautiful. So I need to keep an eye on this one. Let's see how it goes. So far I am impressed by the location I have chosen to visit. Here I have arrived a bit closer to the pier and to the potential shops. Let's see. Alright, so there is some sand over here and there is a little beach. Here we are, almost there. The first shop is ice cream and milkshakes. Not bad. He has got some hot food and drinks, coffee shop. What else? There are fish and chips. But doesn't look like any burgers. Got this wheel as well here. So we are on the pier now, which is Llandudno Pier. And few shops are already closed, and the rest of them are not food shops. But let's continue to see what we can find. Shall I try a donut? But it is closed, so I can't. What is this? Cheshire pie. Not something for me. See how the other side looks like from here. The rides are closed. I'm not sure if they are open on the weekend only because it's Monday today. shop is this? The House of Names. Right, not something we are looking for. I think these shops are meant for weekend only, and most of them are closed. But regardless, I'm gonna get. Let's go see this view. Wow, very nice. Right here. Yeah, if we don't find food, at least we get to see the pier. For the food, we will get to the town center.
Sun keeps shining there through the pouring rain. Going around.
I like this. So they have written London. No, I'm not sure if it is readable or not, but they have written in the grass landscape.
I ring out a danger, I ring out a warning, yes. I ring out a
There is an arcade over here, and some other amusement games. This might be the shop we are looking for. Let's see. It's more of a pub though. It's more of a pub. This one probably. Let's see what they have got. It's a cafe. So let's see. That is something I should get. I need to put a mask on first. In Wales, it is mandatory to wear a mask. I'm ready to go. Actually not. It's just coffee. I don't want coffee, I want to eat something. So plan is dropped. We need to go back to the city center. So see you there.